Part 2 now, I'm going to show you how to bring these buttons into Canvas and make them active buttons. So we're going to go to Canvas. I've already established a page. We're going to put these buttons on this page. I'm going to go up to the image icon and click on it in the toolbar. Click on the rocket. Go to my Downloads page. I am going to start with the Start Here button. Click Open. I'm going to add the alt text and submit. Now we'll bring in our second button. I can go to the image icon again in the toolbar, or I can go to Insert, Image, Upload. Click on the rocket. Next I'll bring in the syllabus button. Click Open. Again, we have to remember our alt text. Submit. And the third button. I'll click on the icon again, click on the rocket, and we'll bring in that third button, the instructor info button, and apply our alt text. And as you can see, there's nice white space in between each button, and that is due to the white border we applied when we made our buttons. So now we want to make these buttons, or these images currently, into buttons. I've highlighted the button. I want to go to the link icon in the toolbar, and with the drop-down caret, I'm going to choose Course Link. I want to bring this button to apply to Course Navigation Modules page. So the course navigation is at the bottom. I can again click on this arrow and it drops down, and you can select what you want to link to directly, and I'm going to go to Modules. Okay, click that off. Now I'm going to go to the Syllabus button, and again I want to go to Course Navigation, scroll down and look for the syllabus, and that looks good. And the next one, I'm going to collapse this course navigation button choice and go to instructor info, and this is going to go to a specific page about the instructor that I've created. So here in this the drop down, and it will take you to all the pages that you've created, and I'm going to look for instructor page and click on that, and it goes directly to that page now. So I'm going to click Save, and we're going to test those buttons out now. And there's our buttons, and let's test them. As you can see, my arrow turns to a little finger, which is an active button looking now. So if I click on it, it brings me to my modules where I wanted to start. Let's go back to that page. Let's click on Syllabus. Again, you can see the arrow turns to a finger and brings me to my syllabus page. I'm going to arrow back one more time and see where the instructor info button takes us. And it takes us to the page I created about the instructor. And that's how you make buttons active in Canvas.